It was like 2 hours long.
And I'm recording.
So I'm standing there for like an hour. I don't even know what's going on. But I like, I like the cultural aspect. Listening to what they were saying, like an hour goes by.
That's Stacy and Michaela heating up their burrito.
It's because of
Wait, we gotta flip this over.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look, feel it, feel it. It's working.
So I'm standing there, right? And I'm listening.
Huh?
And then eventually, I'm like leaning on the cue like this. And my girlfriend hits me, she's like, stand up. I'm like, okay. So I'm standing there, and she goes, once they exchange like crowns, then you go, I'm just staring these crowns down like they're $1 million. I'm like, I gotta get this over with, man.
So sad.
So finally they exchange crowns.
And we're done. This is how we make food in class, guys. Bye.
Bye.